the gateway to the Gulf. With a national commitment to position itself as a business-friendly destination, Bahrain is poised for growth. While it has long been the financial capital of the Gulf, Bahrain's new deepwater port and a major free trade agreement is helping it become a centre for regional trade as well. With this steady growth in trade, there is a corresponding rise in the need for quality, affordable and secure warehousing space. Majal, the region's first SME-focused warehousing facility, which beyond secure and convenient space, offers an array of logistics and business services.
We assessed what the gaps were in the logistics market for small companies and realized quickly that a host of transportation, business administration and facilities management issues were being ignored.
Strategically located at the Bahrain Investment Wharf, within close proximity to the modern new Khalifa bin Salman port, the Bahrain International Airport and the Saudi Causeway, Majal facilitates the growth of its tenants through ease of access and speed of delivery of goods and services.
The current market is very old stock largely. People, I think, previously haven't really been considering property as a main part of their businesses, whether they will be able to integrate all of the business needs into one single location, which to date people really haven't been able to do in Bahrain because the stock is so outdated.
Everything will be under one roof. Everything will be that they're required to run their businesses will be under one roof. There'll be one point of contact for them to deal and move forward, where they don't have to worry about contacting different subcontractors and so forth. This is one-stop solution under one roof for your tenants.
Majal really will offer something new to the market. It's more than just the space, the warehousing space. There's a number of value-added features. The flexibility that comes along with it really is a solution for small to medium-sized companies looking for warehousing space.
Beyond secure and convenient space, Majal supports its tenants through a range of services catering to the needs of small and medium-sized enterprises. These services include 24-hour, 365 days a year security, state-of-the-art ICT provision with broadband internet, transportation assistance and fit-out management.
Many of the services that are provided by Majal are not simply logistics services, but also fit-out services, whereby certain elements of racking systems, security systems, mezzanine and shelving systems are integrated into the rent rather than being one-off items that the tenant is responsible to pay for.
It's critical for small businesses to be able to get up and running quickly, and Majal comes alongside small businesses and provides those solutions by having fit-out management that comes alongside the small businesses and gets that racking system in place and gets the mezzanine office space in place so that they can get up and running quickly. And then it also reduces the capital requirements by taking away the need for that significant cash outlay that small businesses don't have.
Majal delivers high-spec storage and flexible workspaces, ranging from 250 to 1,000 square meters. The warehouse buildings feature an open span structure with no obstructions, allowing tenants to customize their spaces and making it easy for them to consider future expansion. In addition to core warehouse space, Majal offers services not available in warehousing solutions that are affordable for small businesses. These service options include shelving and racking procurement, air conditioning provision, mezzanine fit-out, and daily forklift rental, among a variety of other value-added services. The Business Centre at Majal provides full service solutions for the operational and administrative needs of tenant businesses.